Everything you see right now was made with zero complex prompting. We're talking about real-world physics, perfect lip sync, and complex motions that usually make AI models break, all generated in seconds. Today, I'm sharing a content creation workflow that's going to save you hours of work. We're moving past the headache of complex video prompting, using Seedance's powerful presets to turn static images into pure cinematic magic instantly. Look, we've all been there, spending hours crafting the perfect prompt only to get weird, glitchy results that look nothing like what we imagined. Most AI video tools require you to be a prompt engineer just to get decent output. But Higgsfield Seedance 2.0 literally changed everything for me. This tool uses advanced motion understanding that works with simple uploads instead of complex text descriptions. I'm talking about professional quality videos in minutes, not hours. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create cinematic AI videos without writing a single complex prompt, how to get realistic human movements that don't look robotic, and the secret workflow that's saving me literally 10 hours per video project. I've got the link to this tool in the description below, so you can follow along step by step. Step 1. Getting started and set up now. Here comes my absolute favorite part about this whole process. The setup is literally so simple it feels like cheating. When I first logged to the platform, I was expecting the usual complicated dashboard with a million settings. I literally gasped when I saw how clean and intuitive everything was. The interface is super cute and totally beginner friendly. First, we start by creating your account. Setting up is a breeze, just sign up with Google, Apple, or your email to get started. You'll land straight onto the main interface, which is intentionally kept simple so you can focus on the generation process. It's the perfect launchpad for anyone who wants high-end results without the technical headache. Once you're in, you'll see the Seedance 2.0 option right on the main dashboard. Click on that and you're immediately taken to the generation page. Here's what most people don't know. You don't need any special file formats or sizes. I've uploaded everything from phone videos to professional footage, and it handles them all perfectly. The AI automatically optimizes whatever you give it. But wait until you see what happens next. This is where things get totally game-changing. Step 2, creating your visual foundation. Now here comes my most exciting part, building your visual foundation without any prompting whatsoever. When the first set of images appeared, I was amazed at how the AI translated my prompt into a professional character sheet. It captured every detail, from the tactical gear to the specific cinematic mood, exactly as I envisioned it, all on the very first try. The easiest way to start is by uploading a reference, whether it's a photo, an illustration, or a character screenshot. Seedance 2.0 automatically analyzes the visual style for you. Zero descriptions required. But if you're starting from a blank canvas like I am today, we're going to build our character from scratch using the image generator. From here, click on the image button, and then select the Create Image tool. Now, we're going to create a character sheet. I'll use this prompt, high-resolution character sheet, showcasing a dark-haired female operative in 4 poses, front, side, back, and 3/4. The character is in an urban tactical outfit, a green short jacket over an armored black suit with blue light details, a practical backpack, and knee-high boots. Professional photo realistic style, clean white background. Next, we can select Nano Banana Pro as the AI model. For aspect ratio, I'll go with landscape orientation. Then, select the highest resolution here and the number of generations. Finally, we can hit generate. Here's what most people don't know. Generating a character sheet with a plain white background isn't just for aesthetics. It actually acts as a clean map for the AI, making it much easier for the video generator to maintain your character's identity and outfit details without any background interference later on. And trust me, what we're about to do next will literally blow your mind. Step 3. Bringing your scene to life with Seedance 2.0 fast. Now here comes my most mind-blowing part, watching your static images transform into cinematic motion. When I hit the generate button for the first time, I was expecting to wait forever, like with other AI tools. The video was ready in literally less than 5 minutes, and the quality was absolutely insane. First, we start by selecting the preset for the video. Seedance 2.0 fast offers options like drift racing, football invader, summer haze, and others. Each option shows you a live preview so you know exactly what you're getting, so you can just select one preset here. Then we can continue by uploading our generated images here. Click on the icon, then select image generation. After that, hit the check eligibility to see if your generated images are fit. After that, we can just select it. Next, we can select the aspect ratio. I'll go with landscape here. The awesome thing is, since we already chose that Cdance 2.0 fast preset in the beginning, the platform automatically locks our AI model to Cdance 2.0 fast. This is our absolute powerhouse for lightning speed generation, allowing us to do quick iterations without losing any of that premium quality. Once we are finished, we can hit generate. The AI then processes your scene using advanced physics simulation, and you'll see the progress right on the right side. It takes around 5 minutes until we get the final result. But trust me, the output is absolutely stunning, delivering high-fidelity textures and fluid motion that rival professional cinematic trailers. Even with complex scenes, the AI maintains a consistent visual identity that makes the whole process feel like magic. Here's what most people don't know. Cdance 2.0 Fast actually maintains character consistency across the entire video. So if your character has specific facial features or clothing details, they stay perfectly intact throughout the motion. The results are literally game-changing. And I'm totally obsessed with how professional everything looks. Step 4, final finishing and upscaling. Now, here comes my most satisfying part, taking your already amazing video and making it absolutely perfect. When I discovered the built-in upscaling feature, I literally squealed with excitement. We're talking about going from good quality to broadcast ready in just one click. First, we start by clicking on the video button and then select video upscale. After that, we can upload our generated video here. They offer different resolution options. Here, I'll go with 4K. Next, hit advanced settings. Then turn on the frame interpolation and I'll select 120 FPS here. Now we can hit the upscale button. Finally, just click download to grab your video. It's a direct export, meaning your high fidelity AI masterpiece is ready to be shared or edited further in an instant. Here's what most people don't know. The upscaler uses a specialized sharpening algorithm that recovers tiny details in features and textures that often look soft in the first draft. So instead of just boosting the resolution, it's actually adding crisp definition, making your final video look significantly clearer and more lifelike than the preview. The whole process from upload to final export takes less than 5 minutes, literally, and the results look like they took hours to create. Let me put this in perspective for you. If you hired a professional video production team, you're looking at anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 per video. If you learned traditional 3D animation software, you'd need months of training and expensive equipment. With this tool, we're talking about less than the cost of a nice dinner out. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. I get it. I was super skeptical too. But after creating over 20 videos with this tool, I can honestly say it's the real deal. What if I'm not tech savvy? The interface is literally designed for beginners. What if the videos look obviously AI generated? The physics simulation is so advanced that most people can't tell the difference from real footage. What if I don't have good source material? The AI works with literally any image, even rough sketches or low quality photos. What if it's too expensive for my budget? When you break down the cost per video, it's actually cheaper than most stock footage subscriptions. Here's what you're really getting. Immediate professional results without the learning curve. Social media content that actually stands out. The ability to create unlimited variations in just a few minutes. And creative freedom that's practically limitless. I'm totally obsessed with how this tool has transformed my content creation process. And I know it's going to be a game changer for you too. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link in the description below to check out this game-changing platform. Start with their free trial and create your first AI video today. Trust me, once you see what's possible, you'll be just as excited as I am. And if you found this tutorial helpful, definitely hit that subscribe button because I'm constantly testing new AI tools and sharing the ones that actually work. Drop a comment below and let me know what type of video you're planning to create first. I literally read every single one.